Hi everyone, want to bring your characters to life or write an immersive tales with AI? Today I'll show you how to use the Chai AI for storytelling, roleplay, and creative writing, fast and easy. Let's get started. First, go to chai.ai and download the Chai AI app from your app store. And here you can sign up with your email or log in if you have already an account. Then here you'll see the list of characters right away. You can choose that fits your genre or create your own custom chat bot. And here you can start your creative chat. Tap a create to start chatting. You can use the prompts like let's write a fantasy story together. And the Chai AIs will build you on your ideas and keep your story flowing. You need to be creative and try role play scenarios, plot twist, or even romantic elements. And here, if you want a deeper storytelling, try these tips. Just give a specific character backstories. You can set the scene clearly in your prompt or direct the AI with the mood or tone with make it emotional or add suspense. And the more detail your input, the more realistic and engaging the replies. And that's it. That's how simple it is and how to boost your storytelling with Chai AI. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe if this helped. Thanks for watching.